Okay, everyone. Well, I'm still waiting on a few parts. You know, between coronavirus and stuff breaking at the guy's place, he finally got the machine up and running. Uh, so my parts for my NP 205 transfer case to give me dual output rears should be in pretty soon. Until then, I figured I needed to upgrade from a shopping cart welder holder to, yes, I know it's Harbor Freight, but you know what? Not everything they sell is crap. So I'm hoping something that's not powered, something that's just physical, will work. Not to mention, I needed the dual rear output or dual rear tank holders, so that way when I finally get my new welder, which will be a multi-process welder, I don't know if it's going to be Lincoln, Miller, or ESAB, but it's going to be one of those. Plus, that big tank right there that I got from a yard sale, well, I needed something that's going to be able to hold it. So, let me open it up and we'll take a look at it. Oh yeah, the price on this thing was $365. For sure that's the part number. There's all the deets, as the cool kids say.